So how to link existing account on your FC Mobile 24? You see, it's my 77 over. So to link up, press on setting, then press on link account. Now, if you are using Android before, then EI account or Game Center, and if you are used iPhone, then you can log in with Apple ID, or if you take backup with Facebook, you can do it with Facebook. Now I am using the Apple ID and just verify with password. Now wait. Now it's showing the, then press on your, now it's done. And when you play, make sure you are link up with account properly. For further link, it's a link up with a account or Apple ID. So thank you, have a good day.